Alright, so today we're going to put coilovers on a Haley's drift car, LS400. Say hello, Haley. We're just going to kind of half-ass show you all how to do this and show the end results. Yeah. For the rears, the first thing that's got to happen is the seats come out. Strut tower is right here. We already have this side done. Shiny stuff. It's pretty straightforward. There's a bolt at the bottom here that comes out, and then the strut tower bolts inside, and that's all there is to it. Oh shit! Yeet! Fuck that thing. And here's some installation. Like I showed on the other side, it's pretty simple. You just throw her in there basically, and then she's gonna throw the nuts up top. There you go. So we got a jack under here. We're gonna lift it up and put the bottom on here in a moment. That's what I like to see. Fuck a fender roller when you got this guy right here.
Can you let me?
Bolts in. Bolted in up top. Alright, so the fronts are the same deal. Just one bolt on the bottom, 3 up top. Yeah. Aaron doing some hammering.
Some body work.
Yeah. Need the hammer? Haley needs the hammer.
Last time when everyone's losing their fucking minds over all that.
Taking the bolts out right there. I gotta take these out. She'll be out.
Losing their mind over that Alpina glass top one.
Like Italian and African or something, 318 ISs are like versions of that motor.
The M3 in Africa has a V8 in it because they didn't get offered their own M3, so BMW Africa made
Alright, take her out of
their
there.
M3.
You got to, I'll have to step on it. Hold on.
The only pros of putting in
You got to
Literally,
Where's that flathead? Give me that screwdriver.
Bro, saw's off.
now.
I need this to be dirty.
If you can't get it like this, you gotta get the sauce out. Just cut it. Or just cut a hole in it, then it'll blow it. Push it up.
This is the most awkward thing I've ever done.
Hit that. Hit it towards me at the bottom. Hey!
Give Aaron's kneecap a smack with it too. Remind him who's boss. He's better than me and Alex.
Whoa! Whoa! Fronts are almost done. Looking good. The other side's done. Oof.
Oh, wait, we forgot to tighten out.
Alright, we are almost ready to drop her. There she is.
Slam her down, bub.
Whoa! Yeah! Oh man, that one's lower than the other side.
Yeah.
It will not drive that way.
I think it'll move forward.
It literally will not go anywhere like that.
Hell yeah.
The same. Oh, well, there's no fender.
Okay, so the rear is also.
Dude, this looks sick.
Literally can't drive it like this. It will not go.
No,
Try to move it. Try to drive it forward a little bit.